Om Swastiastu. Namun Sakertih Loka Bali menuju Bali era baru.
Hi guys, it is nice to see you again in Rumah Belajar. How are you today? Good. I hope that all of you are happy today. Are you ready with your English class today? Okay, before starting the lesson, I would like to ask you, what do you like to do after graduating from SMA? To continue your study at university or just want to apply for the job? Okay, some of you like to get the job. What do you have to prepare for applying for the job? Anyone else? Good. There are some. One of them is an application letter. Well, in this session, we are going to discuss about application letters. The application letters is material which is learned in class 12, semester 1. Okay everyone, before continuing, I would like to tell you the purpose of the lesson. After the teaching learning process, you are expected to be able to 1. Identify the structure of an application letter. 2. Identify the purpose of application letter. 3. Identify the language which is used in the application letter. 4. Write an application letter. An application letter is merely another name of a cover letter. The official business letter often included with a job application and/or resume and sent to a prospective employer. Application letters are usually and should always be in an official letter style like block style. These letters should be formatted properly and checked for spelling and grammatical errors. Here are some few components of a typical successful application letter. 1. Address. 2. Date. 3. Receiver. 4. Salutation. 5. Body. 6. Closing. 7. Sender. Now, what should be written in the application letter? First, the address. The first one is the sender's address. It can be at the top of the letter or at above left corner of the text. Second, date. Date is usually written at above left corner after the sender's name and address. Third, receiver. Receiver is the address of the company you are writing to. Use complete title and address. Don't abbreviate it. Always make an effort to write directly to the person in charge of hiring. Salutation. Although many application letters open with a simple Sir or Madam, the more successful application letters are addressed personally to the hiring manager. Fifth, body of the letter. The body of a good application letter usually 3 to 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is an opening paragraph. This paragraph is used to specify which job you are applying for. Or if you are writing to inquire whether a job position is open, question the availability of an opening. Paragraph should be used to highlight your work experience which most closely matches to the said job requirement presented in the job opening advertisement. Do not simply restate what is contained in your resume, but give strong reason why you are suited to the position. Closing paragraph. This paragraph is used to ensure action on the part of the reader. One possibility is to ask for an interview appointment time. Make it easy for the personal department to contact you by providing your telephone number and email address. Sender. Always sign the application letter. Enclosure indicate that you are enclosing your resume. Now, let's have a look at what an example of an application letter. Okay everyone, we just finished discussing about an application letter. Now we would like to highlight once again, in an application letter there are two things which is important to include. They are the resume of the applicant and the structure of the application letter. Okay everyone, I think that's all for today. We will meet again in other program. Bye, see you.